Hello all, in today's session we will discuss how to import the questions from different categories into the Moodle. So lot of queries has been arise from the faculties that how to import the questions. So this session is all about that query, to resolve that query. So I already created the Word file. So how to create the Word file, that is already mentioned in my previous video. So I already created 3 Word files because I have to maintain 3 categories, category 1, 2 and 3. So correspondingly I have created 3 Word file which name as demo fresh 1, another one is demo fresh 2 and demo fresh 3. So each Word document having 2 questions. You can check here, only there are 2 questions. You can see in the another Word document, that is demo fresh 2, there are 2 questions. So there are 3 Word documents and having 2 questions each, and I have to maintain 3 categories on the Moodle, and I have to fetch the questions from this category separately and in the nature of random. So how can we create the category and how can import the questions separately for each category, that I will show you. So correspondingly you have to first see that Word file as well as its corresponding text file is already created. Now for creating the question bank, because the first step is to create the quiz questions, that is already completed. Now the second step is to create the question bank. So for creating the question bank you have to scroll down and go to the questions, not import directly because we have to mention first category. You can see there is a select a category default for CNS and there is nothing showing the scroll down tabs because there are no categories involved by me in the current scenario. So involvement of the category, I have to click the category tab. Here there is an option add category in which I have to mention the name, that is demo fresh 1. You can choose any name, but for the better understanding I am using the same name. So demo fresh 1. If you want to put some information you can put, otherwise not needed. So add category. So you can see my first category demo fresh 1 is created, but there is no questions here because I am not importing any file currently. Now like the same way I have to create demo fresh 2 and add category. Simple. Demo fresh 3 because I have 3 Word files each having 2 questions. So now my 3 categories are successfully created. Now it's time to import the questions for each category. So in order to create it you have to go to the questions. Here is a question bank tab and select a category in which category you want to import the question. By default it is CNS, but in this case I am importing the question into particular category, so I have to choose demo fresh 1 in order to upload the demo fresh 1 text file. So if you click the button create a new question, you have to manually create it, but in this case I am importing a Word file, text file. I have to select demo fresh 1 and upload this file, import. So now 2 questions are successfully imported, and you can see in the demo fresh 1 category there are 2 questions that I recently uploaded. So like the same way I have to upload the questions for category 2, that is demo fresh 2. Demo fresh 2 I have to select and then import. For the import I have to select the first one and importing the text file, that is named as demo fresh 2 because my category is demo fresh 2. Upload this file and import. Now the 2 questions are successfully created. Now the time for category 3, that is demo fresh 3. In your case, in the examination point of view, you can make as a hard or moderate or soft questions. it's upon your wish, because I'm teaching you a demo session, so I'm only taking the dummy type of word formats and the questions. So this one is the last one, DemoFresh 3, and upload this file and import. Now all of the questions are successfully uploaded here, and you can see all of the categories have the question. Like in the categories tab, you can see in the DemoFresh 1 there are 2 questions, DemoFresh 2 there are 2 questions, DemoFresh 3 there are 2 questions. So now my categories are successfully created, importing of questions are successfully done. Now it's time to create a quiz. So for creation of the quiz, I already made a tab, that is Demo Moodle. So in order to update it, just click on the MCQ and edit quiz. So for the edit quiz, we have to add tab here and a random question. So now this is the most important part. How can we fetch a particular question from different categories? That is one of the query. It arises from my colleague. So there is by default for CNS, but you have to fetch the questions from DemoFresh 1 2 category. DemoFresh 1, there are 2 questions. If do you have any subcategories, you can tick on that. In my case, there is nothing subcategory. Now it asks for the random questions. How many random questions you want to fetch from that category DemoFresh 1? Currently I have only 2 questions, so I am fetching only 1. In your case, if you have 20 question of set, then you can fetch 10 question or 5 question as per your requirement. In my case, I am fetching only 1 question. So add random question. Now one random question is fetched. Like the same way, you have to fetch the question from another category, that is DemoFresh 2. Again, my number of random questions should be 1. In my case, add random question. Now for the third category, I have to select DemoFresh 3 and add random question. Now all of the questions are created from different categories. If you want, you can update it according to your requirement, otherwise I am not going to much more detail. So my demo Moodle CS is completed. Now preview quiz. Now this is the first question from the category 1. This is the next question from category 2, and this is the last question from category 3. So to check the randomness, you can start a new preview. As you can see, my first question is changed, my second question is also changed, and my third question is also changed. So you can see there is a lot of randomness here, as well as you can fetch the question from different categories. And one more query arises from my colleague, that how can import the questions which having certain images, or you can say images or equations. So in this thing, unfortunately there is no procedure. Maybe there is a procedure, but I have not the enough time to search all of the things. So currently I suggested you that in order to create that type of question which having some diagrams or equations, you have to create a separate question on the dictionary. Like add the CNS, go to the question bank and questions. Now here is a tab, create a new question. So it is your wish to add a different category here, and that category you can import your questions having some images or equations. Otherwise you can by default import it to the CNS also, create a new question. So you have to do it by manually. In the manual way, you have to create these type of questions. Now there is a certain facilitating things are there, like image, inserting of the image, or certain type of equations you can paste it in the form of image here. So you can do it manually, but it is directly fetching from directly Word to the Moodle. It is not searched by me, or it is not suggested by me. Okay, so I think it is clear to all. how can we fetch different questions from different categories, and how to create the categories, how to achieve the randomness. So if you have in case any query, you can call me. Okay, thank you.